I'm also trying this. And mommy also brought me white choco mocha. White choco mocha. I think it's coffee. It tastes like coffee. It tastes like ice. Maybe some of it melted already, but you can still hear the ice. But. Yeah, I'm really not a fan of coffee. And I don't have water. The canteen has no water anymore. My only hope. Bye. Let's see how it tastes. It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. Hi, Megs. Look what I have here. The croffle. I got it. Mommy, brought croffle sa school ko. And now I'm gonna eat it. Do you want to see a taste test? Huh? Okay, anyway.
Tawa ka na.